Okay, so it's Friday. This is Stranger Cafe. Let's get this thing started. I live in Memphis, as all of you know, and I actually live right beside a railroad track, and it gets quite annoying. Back in 2008, my brother Daniel, we were only a year apart. He was actually hit by a train in San Diego, and really, really affected me for quite a while. Um, it was actually in 2007. I say 2008 because we didn't get to bury him and everything else until 2008. But he died on Christmas of 2007, and it was pretty bad. So anyways, I live right next to that, and it's kind of annoying because I hear the train go by probably, I don't know, 12 times a day, and it just, I don't know, it's annoying. Today's not a good day for it, and so lots of fun. PD, you wanted us to name your plush toys. I think that they should be Milo and Otis, respectively. Because Milo and Otis are cool names. They had that movie for a reason, because I mean the names were just really cool, so, you know. If there were one species of animal that I could study for the rest of my life, it is a very difficult choice for me to be like, just this one species or that one species. But if I had to, I would study the pink bottlenose dolphins in the Amazon. I think they're bottlenose dolphins. I don't remember. I know that they're pink though. They're really cool. So I'd study those. They're also blind, apparently, which is kind of cool. Let's see. A question for you guys. Is there anything that really, is there like a location or an object or, I don't know, a thing that causes you to have, I guess, recurring memories over and over again, like when you see it, or if it's a certain smell, if you smell it, if you hear it. Is there a certain sense that you, whenever you have it, that causes you to remember something, maybe not so good from your past, and what is that thing, and how do you deal with it? And I guess that's it for this video. So talk to you guys later. Micah, hope to see you next Tuesday, and everybody else next week. Okay, bye.